Good afternoon, YouTube. CMAXU. We're at Bend State Park at the Blueberry Slides Rapids. We're really close up to the bank here. As you can see, real close up, there's some water on there. Yeah, here are the rapids. Good view of the river. See if I can... There's a heron, I think, on the water. Some guys talking about the heron. Looks like he's fishing. And there are the rapids down there. We got the rapids over here. Yeah, we got a nice shot of that bird over here. Pretty cool. There's the heron. Yeah, we're just exploring here. We're heading back to St. Paul. And yeah, this is very peaceful, very calm.